BAMS Bachelor of Ayurveda Medicine and Surgery in Punjab. Welcome to Meditech Education Services, your trusted partner in pursuing a career in Ayurvedic medicine. In this video, we will explore the exciting opportunities and exceptional BAMS programs available in Punjab. Known for its rich heritage and vibrant culture, is also home to some of the finest Ayurvedic colleges in the country. At Meditech, we take pride in providing top-notch BAMS education that combines traditional wisdom with modern advancements. We are proud to announce our tie-ups with some of the top BAMS colleges in Punjab. Through these collaborations, we bring you an unparalleled learning experience and a pathway to success in the field of Ayurveda. DCRE University Swethat work with.
DAV College is a private-aided college based in Jalandhar, Punjab, India. It was founded in 1918 by P.T. Mayor Chand. The college admits both undergraduates and postgraduates and career-oriented programs under the purview of Guru Nanak Dev University, Amritsar. Saraswati Group of Colleges, SGC, Mohali, Punjab Shiv Shakti Ayurvedic Medical College Biki, Punjab. Shahid Kartar Singh Sarabha Ayurvedic Medical College and Hospital Ludhiana, Punjab Shri Lakshmi Narayan Ayurvedic College, and Hospital Amritsar. Our partner colleges boast state-of-the-art infrastructure, well-equipped classrooms, advanced laboratories, and libraries stocked with an extensive collection of Vedic literature. These facilities create an environment conducive to your academic growth and development. By pursuing your BAMS degree through Meditech Education Services, you will gain access to a wide range of career opportunities and enhance your professional prospects. We are committed to your success and will support you